Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've ever wanted to automate status updates in your Notion database, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use the powerful if statement in Notion formula fields to create an automatic status system. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to make your database update itself according to whether a task is complete or still in progress. No manual typing needed. Let's get right into it. First, I've set up a simple Notion database with 4 columns: task name, due date, completed, and status. If you want to follow along, just make sure you've created a similar table in your own Notion workspace. The completed column is a checkbox, which is important, since our formula will work directly with these checkboxes. Don't worry, if you haven't made this type of database before, just mimic what you see on screen or check the description where I've put this template. Now, our key focus is on the status column. This is where we'll add the formula that uses Notion's if statement. The goal here is pretty straightforward. We want the status to show done if the task is checked off and in progress or so if it isn't. This might sound basic, but it's incredibly useful, especially once you scale up your database to dozens or hundreds of tasks. Imagine having a team project or your own freelance assignments automatically organized, with statuses updating themselves. Here's the formula for the status column. If prop completed, true, done, in progress. Let's break this down so you really understand what's happening. Prop completed is looking at each row's checkbox. So for every task, it checks if that box is ticked. True asks, is the box checked? Now, if it is checked, Notion will display done in the status for that task. But if it's not checked, you'll see in progress instead. Why does this matter? Well, checkboxes are one of the simplest ways to keep track of whether something is finished. But reading a long list of checkboxes isn't always easy at a glance. By converting this into readable, colorful status labels, you immediately see what needs your attention. It makes project management in Notion much more visual and less tedious. Let's set this up together. Go to your database, click on the status column, and select formula as the property type. Then, paste in the formula from the description. If prop completed, equals true, done, in progress. If you're new to formulas in Notion, don't stress out. Notion's formula editor is pretty forgiving. Once you paste in the formula, Notion will instantly check each row. For any task where you've checked completed, you'll see done appear. For tasks not yet finished, you'll get in progress. Sometimes, this part takes a moment for Notion to sync, so don't worry if you don't see results immediately. Let's look at an example. If you have a task called Write Blog Post, and you've checked it as completed, the status column for that row will now say done. If review content isn't checked, the status will say in progress. It's as simple as that. Over time, as you check things off, Notion's if statement keeps everything current. That's all it takes to set up a dynamic status system in your Notion databases using if statements. Not only does this save tons of time, but it also reduces mistakes, since you're letting the formula handle updates for you, say emergencies. I hope this tutorial helped you get more organized in Notion. If you found it useful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions, drop me a comment below. I read every one. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a Notion tips video. Thanks for watching.